coffee fix in the morning at like Starbucks. You know, these are one of the things that got very popular. They have their sous vide egg bites.
Looks like we've got integrated sous vide from Miele right into a wall oven. This is pretty cool.
Our website.
This is a cool innovation from Miele. This oven is a true combi oven, so it's got a broiler element. It works like a regular convection oven, but then you can also steam in the thing as well. So I haven't really seen an oven that both steams and cooks like this. That's pretty cool. And then as we saw during the cooking demo, you can also sous vide in this. So they actually have a built-in vacuum packer, and you can vacuum pack food. And then there's some convection, some sous vide features built into this as well. So this is really a great way to kind of combine multiple different styles of cooking into one unit. And then of course down here, a true European convection oven as well. Really, really some cool design touches and features from Miele. Alright, so Jared wanted to show me some cool features here with some of the new refrigeration from Miele. So take it away.
Absolutely. So first and foremost, when we're looking at the exterior, what we'll do first is look at our new push-to-open feature.
Oh, what is that?
With the push-to-open, it's amazing, of course. Especially when you're talking about the big 84-inch high, counter depth refrigeration.
The size of this door.
Absolutely.
He just tapped it with his finger and it popped right open.
Yes.
So I come in, I got my hands full, and I just push, and then it opens.
Door opens to meet you.
I love it. Is this full stainless interior I see?
So what we have here is we're going to have a stainless back and a stainless front. What that'll do is it'll give you more of a premium feel, better aesthetic. And then in addition to that, you'll have white sidewalls, and that'll help with the white LED lighting to brighten up the interior, so you get more of a full view of everything you're doing.
You get that contrast, it looks like, with the white and the stainless. And the stainless in the door probably helps keep the stuff in the door, particularly on the refrigeration side, nice and cool.
That is correct.
Any other features we need to know about?
Absolutely. Is you still have a super cool function. So by touching that little frost button there, I then activate the super cool in the refrigerators.
The super cool.
The super cool, of course.
I love how they choose their names. Master Cool, Super Cool. This is great.
Yes. So if you're going grocery shopping, you're going to the farmer's market, of course, you want that stuff to get very cold very quickly, so you don't lose all that great moisture that keeps it fresh. Yes. If you forgot to do that at home, you can always take out your phone or your tablet and do it mobile.
I'm coming in with a ton of groceries. Boom. Master Cool and Super Cool. All the cool
yes.
stuff. Yeah. All right. So Miele refrigeration. That's really exciting. I know we have a lot of this product coming to Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I wanted to make sure that we previewed this. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.